Hi, how are you doing? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today I'll show you how to resize page titles in Shopify. First, access the Shopify dashboard and click on Online Store on the left. Just click it. The Themes page opens. Go to your theme. Click the three-dot button. A menu appears. Click Edit Code. The theme files page opens. In filter files, search for base.css. A file named base.cs will appear. Click it to open your store's appearance script. All your store's styling code is here. We'll scroll to the bottom of this script. Just go all the way down. At the last line, which is blank, press enter. Next, we'll visit hostube.net. The link's in the description with all the code we'll use. Let's click the copy button here. Just a simple click. After that, we'll go back to Shopify and paste our code in the blank line. To change page title size, go to the first line where you'll see 45px. That's 45 pixels. You can adjust this value up or down to set your desired title size. Default is 45 pixels, but try 50, 60 or 100 to see what you like best. You can make it smaller too. After setting your pixel count, click the Save button in the top right. Change is saved. Now let's go back to our page. I've got one open pre-change, so I'll refresh. You can see the title size has changed. I made it smaller, but you can adjust it by changing the pixel number in the code. Hope this video helped.